Google Tasks. What replaces Google Tasks? Google Tasks is a task management app that helps you keep track of your to-dos and organize your tasks efficiently. Here are some key features and details about Google Tasks. Integration with Google Workspace. Google Tasks integrate seamlessly with other Google Workspace apps like Gmail and Google Calendar. You can create tasks directly from your emails and calendar events. Cross-device syncing. Your tasks sync across all your devices, so you can access and manage them from anywhere, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. Task and subtask management. You can create tasks and break them down into subtasks, add details, set due dates, and prioritize them to stay organized. Notifications and reminders. Set due dates and receive notifications to help you stay on track with your tasks. User-friendly interface. The app is designed to be simple and intuitive, making it easy to capture, edit, and manage your tasks on the go. Google Tasks is available on both iOS and Android platforms, as well as through a web interface, making it a versatile tool for personal and professional task management.